Greetings, my children. Another quick unboxing for you today, and I did get this from Amazon. I will have the links below. Let's get started. Alright folks, so this is the Daisy Model 25. It is a pump gun. This has been out since 1914. 1914. That is a very long time. And a couple reasons why I got it. I actually have a new son. I thought this would be nice for him. And this kind of reminds me of the old gallery guns that they used to make. So this would be a good way to one day introduce him to the sport. This is not, of course, the Red Ryder that is made famous by A Christmas Story. And why did I not get one of those, you may ask? Well, I just thought a pump gun is a little more interesting. It's kind of cool. These are no longer, unfortunately, these are no longer made in the United States. They are now made in
China.
From what I understand, this is made out of real wood, which it does feel like it. That is a good thing. I know there have been several models of these that have been out throughout the years, and I believe some of the ones that were made in the United States did not actually have the wood furniture. You can see there's some of the scroll work there. It's very nice. It really is. Now there's just some rudimentary sights here, but they're not bad for a BB gun. I mean, this is really not bad. Alright, so zip ties are off, and there it is. Now it does have a safety down here, and it is just a simple crossbolt safety, and this handle is definitely wood, so that is nice as well. Also very nice that right here, very simple way to oil it. It says put oil right there. Very nice. Nice woodwork. I really like this a lot. Now these the sights are, of course, they're not adjustable, so you're gonna get what you get, and that is it. But that's okay. That is a good way to learn with iron sights. Looks like these rear ones might be adjustable. Yeah, looks like elevation and maybe right and left. If I'm right, it is loaded. The loading mechanism and the barrel all kind of come out at once. There's the spring right there. Looks like the BBs are loaded in there, maybe. Very simple mechanism, and that's good. Not a lot that can go wrong with this. Let's see what the box says here about it. 350 feet per second, maximum velocity. Flip up, here we go. Flip up peep sight, or flip up peep, or open rear sight. Adjustable for windage and elevation. Removable 50 shot. Screw in shot tube. Rugged metal construction. 1 year warranty. Really like this a lot. I like that it has the history. This is definitely one of the oldest products that Daisy has ever made. Probably one of the better ones. Probably one of the sturdier ones as well. Now, you get some instructions here, and it's telling you not to return it. Imagine they want you to send it back to Daisy if anything goes wrong. Here is your instructions. This is nice. It tells the kids how to aim and everything. Very nice. Excellent. And it's got the 10 safety shooting rules here. That's awesome. This really is the perfect way to start off a young shooter into the shooting sports. There are other versions of this of the Model 25 out. I believe they had a anniversary edition a few years ago in 2014. That would have been 100 years of producing this BB gun, and I believe that one had gold inlay in the scroll work. and it may have had some work here as well. I'm not sure, but yeah, really like this a lot. Very nice. So yeah, definitely enough power to knock down cans, but of course you always want to use proper safety equipment and follow the safety rules as you would do with any firearm. Let's give you a couple close-ups here of the wood. Here's the handle. There's the other side. I don't know, I have the feeling I'd like to want to maybe make a little sling for this and deck it all out for him and all that. But it's going to be quite a long time before he gets to the point where he's using this. But I'm going to have a little fun with it in the meantime. And we'll do some videos of that. I guess that is it, folks. That is the Daisy Model 25. Gives you a nice close-up of it. And if there's enough interest, we'll make some more videos with this. Any of the videos I do with any kind of airsoft or air rifles, anything like that, they always seem to do very well. So if there's enough interest, we'll do some more with this one, and we'll do some comparison. So, all right, folks, that is it for now. That is the Daisy Model 25 BB gun. More to come. Like, share, and subscribe down here. If you're on Rumble, give us a rumble, and stay tuned.